bit of my under things this was showing, like my under pad this was showing, and people called it a 10 रुपए का note. As Shan sir has gone live and किसी ने उनको गाली दी तो बोलते हैं कैसे गाली वाली मत दिया करो यार. Last person I stalked was my ex. तो पुनीत ने मेरा नाम रखा है डेसिबल. My decibel. I love Amit sir. मतलब मैं हमसे अत्यंत तो प्यार करती हूँ.
How was the first meeting with Badshah?
He got a very beautiful, big, genius aura around him. You just feel like, you know, मतलब हम बकवास भी करते हैं, but feel like being your best self because they're incredible. मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ घनन घन गोलियाँ.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome Sharvi to Filmygyan. और आज हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ करेंगे गानों पे बातें, गानों पे jamming, some stories, some fun.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, very excited.
The song which is hitting the charts, Morni. मैं मेट्रो में जाती हूँ ना, मैं तभी भी वही सुन रही हूँ. Trust me, I'm not joking.
No way.
I'm not kidding. How is the feeling?
The response is incredible. Like it's playing everywhere. My dad called me yesterday and I was like, बेटा मैं जब जिम जा रहा हूँ हर दिन only your song is being played and you know, seeing my parents proud and seeing I'm so proud that and so happy and so overwhelmed and so grateful that this song is everywhere and people are giving it so much love. So very mainly overwhelmed क्योंकि ऐसा response इतना crazy response expect नहीं कर रहा था. So yeah.
Crazy is the word
Crazy
is the word for Morni.
Crazy.
Instagram पे भी, you know, it's all over the place.
Yeah.
You are getting
Man, but I'm FOMOing, I have to say this.
Why?
Because everybody's doing like all these like dancing reels and
Okay.
I'm not like a great dancer. So
you did this step. I can recognize you are a good dancer.
और ये वाला. But I really want to, like I called Rajit, the choreographer of the song, and I told him, I said मुझे भी डांस करना है, आप मुझे एक हफ्ते की क्लासेस दो और मैं भी रील डालूंगी. and मैं पूरी दुनिया डाल रही है. Even I want to do it, but करूँगी.
Exactly is my point. Even Instagram पे it is getting so much of love. You are getting the deserved recognition, appreciation, in spite the fact that Badshah is there. But people are recognizing Sharvi's voice.
Yes, I'm so glad.
This is one thing which I guess एक singer को चाहिए रहता है. That
That's
you're
so
not
true.
being overshadowed by the one who's also there. Badshah is...
He's
we
insane.
all know
Yeah.
he's insane.
It's your boy.
Badshah. But how is your bonding with Badshah? It's been a long, like you guys are connected.
It's been 1.5, 2 years that we've been working together. तो उनके साथ भी जर्नी पहले लाइव शोज से शुरू हुई एंड धीरे धीरे देन वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग सॉन्ग्स टुगेदर. पहले हमने गाना करा था लेट इट फ्लो व्हिच वाज अ ब्रांड सॉन्ग फॉर बोल नहीं सकते ना बट इट वाज अ ब्रांड सॉन्ग जेमसन एंड वो करा. उसके बाद आई रियली वांटेड टू डू लाइक अ सॉन्ग विद हिम एंड देन डाकू हैपेंड. फिर डाकू करा और आफ्टर डाकू मोरनी हैपेंड. And I have to tell you this, I've been in the industry for 7 years, ठीक है, and I've done 10 to 12 movies and great music and with great music composers.
Yeah.
But the love and recognition that I always wanted and somewhere was, you know, एक artist को प्यार और एक artist को listeners चाहिए अपने art के लिए, right? I think this with Daku and Morni, finally after 7-8 years I've gotten it. So I'm so grateful and I'm so overwhelmed with everyone's love and everybody recognizing my voice. So yeah.
And the spark you have in your eyes when you're describing the journey, it's so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
But if I have to take you back, how was the first meeting with Badshah? Were you serious? ऐसा एकदम कि I have to be like मेरे को तमीज से पेश आना होगा. Is Badshah? Or were you like all over the place?
So I'm generally all over the place. और I think मुझे मेरी बहन, I was with my sister who also lives in Bombay and I was with her और हम मूवी देख रहे थे and I suddenly got a call from his management to meet him for the live shows. तो मुझे लगा कि I was like पर मैं मूवी में हूँ. बोले देख लो, do you want to come? Like I said, of course. So I left the movie. There's a movie Us by Jordan Peele. तो मैं वो देख रही थी और मैं like I left to meet him. I ran to meet him. और मेरी बहन बोलती है बेटा थोड़ा आराम से, टुडे व्हेन यू मीटिंग हिम डोंट टॉक अ लॉट, थोड़ा बी प्रोफेशनल, बी दिस, बी चुपचाप. तो मेरे लिए काफी टास्क था पूरे हाफ एन आवर मीटिंग में चुप रहना, बट या चुप थी मैं पूरे उसमें, या पूरे टाइम आई वाज चुप, आई वाज जस्ट लिसनिंग टू हिज दिस एंड कट टू द सेकंड मीटिंग. आई वाज लाइक नहीं हो पा रहा, हेलो लवली टू मीट यू, बहुत मजा आ रहा है आपके साथ काम करने में. And I think second meet में we both like opened up and bonded, and he's incredible. Like I just have to say, being around him, he's got such an aura. कुछ लोग का aura होता है ना, मतलब आप उनके साथ कितना भी रह लो, they've got this very beautiful big aura around them. So I think B is one of those, that he's got a very beautiful big genius aura around him that you just feel like, you know, हम बकवास भी करते हैं, but you just feel like being your best self because they're incredible.
What was that
बहुत सीखने को मिलता है.
What was that one conversation between you and him about life, or it could be about music, which has stayed with you? I am damn sure about this fact that you guys must have had conversations, about the industry or about the life, but something which he's shared with you, which has stayed with you.
I think a lot of things stay with me. यार उनके ना, as I'm saying, being around him is only, आप इतना सीखने को मिलता है. मतलब he's always in the zone. मतलब he's always, you know, thinking of lyrics or thinking writing, और उनके पास bitching या gossiping करने का time नहीं है. मतलब that's one thing that I really learned from him. कि I have a lot of friends in the industry, right? A lot of singers friends. हम करते हैं gossip, I have to say, but like being with him, he doesn't gossip, doesn't say anything bad about anybody, only creativity. It's always creativity with him. So that is something that I've heavily learned, कि बस हम creative चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं. There's no time for negativity, ever.
This is so pure. I
yes,
guess
it's so true.
This is so pure, and I guess this sort of be it bonding, be it friendship, is required.
Yes.
And somebody to guide you in the industry. You've said 100%. That it's been 7 years in the industry.
Yeah.
But from past 1.5 years, the recognition part has come to your life.
Yes.
And I guess जो ये पिछले 6 साल में आपने work put in किया है into your singing, now this is getting paid off. Nothing goes in vain, I guess.
That's true. That's so true.
I'm so happy that you're getting the amount of recognition which is required.
Thank you so much.
But moving on, reality show का भी आप part रहे हैं the stage.
Yes.
मैं देखती थी वो show. Music is love for me as well.
Well, that's so cool.
So एक बहुत straight question है, reality shows, कितनी reality रहती है वो reality show?
मेरा वाला तो fully reality था.
Is it?
मतलब fully reality. There was, हम कुछ भी वो sad sob stories नहीं होती कि मेरे पापा, वो सब नहीं था. And it was completely raw. And हमें in fact 2 दिन मिलते थे, 1 दिन मिलते थे to learn 2 songs. Like it was so cut to cut. मेरा reality show experience was incredible. Like the judges were Vishal Dadlani, Monica Dogra, Devraj Sanyal, and Ehsan Nurani. So all incredible musicians, incredible performers. So बहुत मजे आए उधर, and very real.
Very real.
And changed my life, I have to say that.
Completely, it completely changed your life.
Absolutely.
But also talking about another person in your life, I guess, who's played a good role is Amit Trivedi.
I was just gonna say, yes, 100%.
What are your feelings for him?
I love Amit sir. मतलब मैं उनसे अत्यंत प्यार करती हूँ. और
ये जो शब्द हिंदी बोली है आपने, अत्यंत,
क्या मुझे 4-5 शब्द आते हैं तो मैं उसको हर जगह से डालती रहती हूँ. But I think my life, like artistically and musically, has completely changed with him. उनके साथ मैंने पंजाबी गाने करे हैं, उनके साथ मैंने तेलुगु गाना करा है, उनके साथ मैंने कुछ फ्यूजन इंग्लिश पंजाबी भी करा है. तो हैव एक्सपेरिमेंटेड सो मच विद हिम, एंड हमने बहुत सही गाने साथ में करे हैं. वी डिड मोरनी है सुनो मोरनी है सुनो मोरनी है तेरे पैर दी झांझर, बहुत सारे. बॉलीवुड में भी वी डिड गुड बाय के लिए. So with him, वो मतलब he's a genius. Amit sir is a legend.
He's very raw. He
Very
thinks
raw.
out of the
Yeah.
box.
Always.
Always.
He thinks also out of the box.
He thinks out of the box. He creates out of the box.
That's so true.
And I guess if एक आर्टिस्ट है जिनसे मैं सही में मिलना चाहती हूँ, it's Amit.
Yes.
Definitely. And even आपने anthem गाया था for men's cricket.
Yes.
I would really want you to sing those two lines.
Yeah,
I'm a cricket fan.
अभी गाती हूँ.
Start the song.
Okay. There's something happening in the air, yo. There's something happening everywhere, yo. Come on, let's get moving and let the balla go. Come on, let's get grooving and hear the hello. Now we're really booming, we're gonna get some more. Give me more, give me more. Everybody on the floor.
Oh my God, shit, this energy. I'm missing this in my life. When are you getting this energy from? Please transfer some. Please transfer
Coming
some.
from you only.
This is so special, I guess. ये जो आपकी चुलबुलापन है, ये अमित सर के साथ भी वही बॉन्डिंग रहती है, और are you serious again?
No,
because he seems to be very serious.
No, he's a cutie. और अमित सर के साथ one thing is with him he really values my चुलबुलापन. तो every time I enter his studio मुझे proper platform मिल जाता है to go full crazy. Crazy. This is going to be. And he loves it, and he also gets so. और Sharvi, उनको तो एक फ्लोर नीचे से सुनाई दे रहा था कि Sharvi आ गई है. So we have like in a small group, like Amit sir, मेरा हमारा group. Our friend, lyricist friend Puneet is there, and Puneet हम लोग भी बहुत काम कर रहे हैं साथ में. तो पुनीत ने मेरा नाम रखा है डेसिबल. My decibel, my decibel. क्योंकि आवाज आ जाती है मेरी बहुत दूर से. So yeah.
This is she's so cute. Oh my God. मैं चाहती हूँ मैं बस आपको सुनती रहूँ. You're so cute.
Please kidnap me. I need somebody जो मुझे सुनता रहे.
I'll kidnap you. I'll listen to you. We'll do this turn by turn. And you keep quiet. I'll then speak.
ठीक है, done.
But this is so good. Moving forward, segments खेलते हैं.
Okay.
So the first is the hashtag show. नाम लूंगी जो whatever first is coming in your mind, you have to say that. Okay? The hashtag show. Badshah.
Badass and kind.
Amit.
Genius.
Shreya Ghoshal.
Nightingale.
Sunidhi Chauhan.
Powerhouse.
Shan.
Aww, honey.
Bunny.
Neat honey. Like he's so sweet, like.
उनका नाम लिया मुझे वो गाना याद आ गया, चांद सिफारिश.
ओहो,
कितना प्यारा, कितना
प्यारा. वो ही इतने प्यार है. Just have to sorry. Fun fact.
Yeah.
Have you?
I like this.
Have you seen that Instagram live where Shan sir has gone live and किसी ने उनको गाली दी, तो बोलते हैं कैसे गाली वाली मत दिया करो यार. He's so sweet. गाली नहीं, उनका बैठ का गाली मत दो यार.
He's such a cutie. He's such a
so
sweetheart.
Who can abuse in his live chat yaar?
I swear. There are people. Have you ever been trolled?
Oh, heavily, bro.
Oh my God. For what? I mean for singing, for body or what?
I think it's high time we speak about this. So, मेरी एक डाकू रील थी जो थोड़ी वायरल चली गई थी. तो उसमें ना I was wearing a top and I was wearing a skirt, and I think my bit of my under things, this was showing, like my under pad, this was showing, and people called it a 10 rupees ka note. And okay, guys, I have to say, very funny. मैं कहा 500 ही कह देते. मैं कहा 10 रुपए का अगर नोट ही कहना है तो 500 कह दो, 10 क्यों कह रहे हो? But anyway, so now you won't believe it, like now every time I post a reel तो मुझे बोलता है आपका 10 रुपए नोट नहीं दिख रहे हैं. मैंने कहा खर्च कर दिए मैंने. कुरकुरे खा लिए मैंने यार.
How are you connecting all this?
So that happened.
that happened.
Yeah. But I think it's a trolling era, yaar. Everybody.
But then you're taking it so sportingly. I mean,
But it's an era for dissing. मतलब अगर तुम personally लोगे तो
गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
Arijit Singh.
Oh man, he's one and only.
One and only.
One and only.
Atif Aslam.
Gorgeous.
दोनों में से एक who's your favorite? Putting you on spot. Arijit or Atif?
Oh, Arijit.
Every time?
Yes, 100%. One and only.
One and only.
Yeah.
Raftar?
Man, he is speed. Like he's an amazing artist. I used to work with him also. Pehle. He's incredible artist. I think he's one of the best rappers.
Baby Marwa kya? Lata ji.
Nightingale. Again, Nightingale.
Shraddha? Since
Shraddha.
she also sings. Shraddha Kapoor.
Oh, Shraddha Kapoor.
She also sings well.
Oh, yes.
What would be that one hashtag?
Shraddha Kapoor.
She's gone blank.
I think I've always felt she's the girl next door.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And lastly to Alia. Alia Bhatt.
Man, everybody says I look like you. Do I look like you? आज नहीं लग रही क्या? एक मिनट. Hello, sir.
The next one is the last. So, जो last चीजें की गई होगी, वो मैं पूछूंगी. Okay, are you ready? The last person you stalk.
The last person I stalked.
The last celebrity.
The last person I stalked was my ex.
Which is कौन है उसका नाम?
कोई तो है. So was stalking him to see what he's up to.
The last person you blocked.
And then I blocked him. Yeah. And then I blocked him again.
Wow. Last celebrity crush.
Oh man, I crush way too often. But I think नहीं बोल सकती वाला मैं.
Why?
I have a huge.
You can, it's okay.
Guys, I feel Samay Raina is very funny and he's very cute.
You met him recently. Badshah's birthday party. Did you interact with him?
हाँ, बहुत मुश्किल से.
Roast किया आपको?
नहीं. Cute हूँ मैं यार.
Last time you cried.
वो भी रोती रहती मैं time to time.
क्यों?
रोई होंगी ऐसे ही मजे आते हैं.
Rose.
रोज तो नहीं. Once in a week. Yeah.
Glow?
Yeah, skin glow.
Sharvi's skin, glowing
Skin
वाला.
care.
Skincare का जो राज है वो रोना है.
Cry often. It's good for the skin.
The last food item you ate.
The last food item I just had an avocado toast.
Your last hug.
With you. Abhi?
Yeah. Oh, I was wondering when. The last cheapest item you've bought. The last expensive.
My bag, possibly. Oh, no, bag.
Your last call.
My last call to Arbaz. कि
my
किधर है स्टूडियो?
Last time you were angry.
अभी जब मैं अपनी फिजियो के लिए गई थी, उसने बहुत ज़्यादा वो कर दिया, मैं चिल्ला रही थी.
The last time you lied, and what was the lie?
The last time I lied was जब call time हो रहा था. नहीं, I think Arbaz को. Okay, how far are you? I said बस आगे 5 minutes and here I am combing my hair.
And the last time you were frustrated.
अभी when I was taking the flight क्योंकि सोने को नहीं मिला पिछले 4 दिनों से. So, yeah.
एक और last segment है, which is since आप Delhi से भी belong करते हैं. So it's Delhi versus Bombay.
Okay.
So Delhi versus Bombay.
The fight within me.
Yeah. So
Babs getting a call.
is Delhi's food better or Bombay's?
Delhi is local food, मतलब any day, but I love the cuisines you get in Bombay. मतलब हर चीज़ है इधर.
One favorite dish of Delhi.
All the dishes of Delhi, but I think chole kulche.
And one favorite of Bombay.
Vada pav.
Clothing style किसकी better है? Bombay or Delhi?
Bombay, for sure. Yeah. Delhi is a little over the top. मतलब it is
street shop wise,
yeah,
Bombay और Delhi?
Bombay.
वेदर किधर का अच्छा है?
Weather किधर का अच्छा है?
बॉम्बे और दिल्ली?
दिल्ली. वो सांस नहीं आ रही है दिल्ली में अभी, वो अलग बात है.
लोग कहाँ के अच्छे हैं, दिल्ली और बॉम्बे?
ना लोग तो हर जगह अच्छे हैं.
One favorite Delhi place. I mean, it could be any घूमने वाली जगह है और spot.
आजकल मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ? आजकल my favorite college hangout space was HKV यार.
Okay.
वो गलियों में नहीं, वो that full route, और फिर वहाँ पे सारे वो पहाड़ नहीं, वो monuments बने हैं.
Your one favorite Bombay वाला जगह?
I love the ceiling, like every time you cross it.
Yeah.
ऐसे वो feeling आती है ना कि
बहुत
बॉम्बे
अलग
आ गया. Yeah.
One thing you like about Delhi and one thing you dislike about Delhi.
Okay, one thing I like about Delhi कि बहुत जगह है वहाँ पे.
Okay. And
बॉम्बे
dislike?
में कम जगह है ना, मतलब घर वर थोड़े. And one thing I dislike about Delhi is it's थोड़ा वो आ जाता है उसमें, वो that शोशा वाली vibe, little extra. But yeah.
And one thing which you like about Bombay and one thing which you dislike about Bombay.
One thing that I love about Bombay is people are very creative and they're always at the go. कि कुछ they're very hard working.
Yeah.
I love that about Bombay. Love. And one thing I dislike about Bombay कि जगह नहीं है यार. कि पार्किंग की जगह नहीं है, रहने की जगह नहीं है. सब इधर आ गए ना, because Bombay is awesome.
She is on point with every answer, and that was Bombay and Bombay versus Delhi for you guys. And now we'll end this interview with the proper jamming session.
Okay.
चलो.
Proper jam तो नहीं हो सकता.
Jam तो नहीं हो सकता, बस
Yeah.
गले से ही jam हो सकता है. Let's start.
गाड़ी शोर मचाए सुनियो, आके कौन मिलाए सुनियो, चाल चलन और तेवर चाकू, बच के रहियो लड़के हैं डाकू. गाड़ी शोर मचाए सुनियो, आके कौन मिलाए सुनियो, चाल चलन और तेवर चाकू, बच के रहियो लड़के हैं डाकू.
मोरनी.
ओ अच्छा, मोर साथ में. ठीक है.
Slide.
1, 2, 3. मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ, मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ. घनन घन गोलियां हैं चल गई देख रात माँ, गोलियां हैं चल गई रात माँ. मोरनी
बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ.
ब्रो आप तो ज्यादा ही सुरीले हो. Wow, that was amazing.
And that was the end, प्यारा सा end to this beautiful interview. बहुत प्यारी सी conversation. You were yourself.
Yes.
And I liked it so much. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Sharvi.
so much for having me. आप बहुत ज़्यादा cute हो और आप बहुत ज़्यादा सुरीले हो bro. मुझे पता नहीं था. We could have done like a antakshari sort of thing. But super fun.